you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind, ooh girl. Nah, nah.
Hey guys, what's going on? Happy holidays to you. So let me just start off by saying I appreciate you guys for clicking on my video. Happy holidays. Today is Boxing Day in Jamaica, December 26th. Happy holidays to you, and I just wanted to pop on here to say that to you guys. And you know, I appreciate the love and support all this year for the 2 years that I've been on YouTube. I appreciate it. I see all the likes, the comment, the views. I appreciate all of that. So I just wanted to say that, yeah, and thank you. The year is ending, so I wish you guys all the best for 2023. I may pop on again and tell you guys that in the same video again, but I don't know. But I just wanted to say it from now, just in case. So in the week I actually went to an event. It's called Johnnie Walker series. I will show you guys those few clips now, so I'll stop talking, show you guys those clips, and then I'll come back.
1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend.
It sounds like you. Here we go.
It can take time. 3 times. Girl.
Shot of the season. Come now, smile, look at your pretty side. All right. There we go, Mr. Smooth Operator. Rolando Small. Johnnie Walker, make some noise once more for Rolando, please. He went good, he went good, he went good.
Everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. When you're sweet talking to me, now I'm talking.
I love that body to her. Let's go. Run the one, the ice spice. Here's the way.
What you need from me? Need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone.
Alright, yeah, so you guys saw those clips that I went at Caymanas at the Johnnie Walker series. That was a blast. It was very good. The music was good and all of that. So tonight I'm all dressed, as you can see. So tonight is I Love Soca. Yo, if you guys know me already, I'm a Soca fan. Soca all the way. Soca is #1. Soca is life if you don't know. But anyways, I'm waiting on my ride to pick me up, not driving tonight. It's I Love Soca tonight, and Kes the band is performing. Kes the band is like one of my favorite artists, one of my favorite Soca artists. So yeah, so we're gonna see him tonight. We're gonna have a ball tonight, and yeah, so I'll see you guys later.
I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time.
Hey everybody, basically we've been in traffic for 3 hours. I am the most annoyed patron right now. Like, yeah, that's just the update. 3 hours of traffic. It's almost 1 o'clock. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I'm sure the performance should start right now. Like, the way I'm annoyed, I can't even say anything, but I'll see you guys inside.
Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the box.
Oh, dance, so play some dance, so
Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those spin it in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Pull up again. Stop it, no. You know what I'm saying? Alright, stop it. Give me a different minute. Know it. Love it. Me love the girl, them, that's why me like SOCA. Cause me's a smoker. Black man don't play poker. Bloodhead. I love SOCA.
Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all.
Hey guys, what's going on? So I just reached Holywell. It's been probably a year or more that I've been here. Today is New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's to you guys, and I will post this video on New Year's Day. So I'm telling you guys from now, happy New Year and a prosperous New Year. Blessings to you, continued growth, success, everything for all my viewers who watch my channel. I appreciate that. So we're just gonna spend New Year's Eve up here. We're gonna have brunch. If you guys watched my last year video that I came up here, they do have a cafe up here, so we're just gonna, you know, purchase something from the cafe, have a little late brunch, and just chill for the day and head home. I do not have any plans for tonight. I may just stay home or I may go to church, which probably would be the best thing to do. So I'm still contemplating what I'm gonna do after I leave here. But yeah, so just hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and like I said, I'll post this for New Year. So this is the last video for 2022. Well, this will actually be the first video for 2023. So yeah, that's that. So we're just gonna chill, have a vibe and all of that. I'm not feeling, the temperature is okay so far. I'm not feeling that cool and the windows are down, so that's good. But of course, bought my jacket and stuff just in case. So yeah, so I will check you guys later.
Screaming about, but I close my ears cause I don't want to hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me, never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself what's up with that?
No problem. Culture, family structures, poor family structure.
I just wanna be with you, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love.
We have our electric charging up here. Nice. Okay, they're upgrading. Is it free? I don't know.
I just wanna be with you.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we're leaving Holywell right now. It was a beautiful day. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year again, and I'll see you guys next year in 2023.
I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.